Hi guys, and welcome back to another unboxing video, and today we have the brand new MacBook Air here for an unboxing. We've got the midnight color, which is a brand new finish from Apple. It's an all new design as well, and looking forward to getting this thing out of the box. So without further ado, let's get to it. Put that aside quickly. So we've got a brand new braided MagSafe charger, and it's in the color of the actual MacBook, which is quite nice. I think there's different colors as well, gold or starlight, depending on which color you get. There's also, if I can get it out, colored Apple stickers. There we go. Brand new edition. Again, these depend whichever MacBook you get, the colors will probably resemble that. But yeah, nice to see Apple adding colored MacBook stickers. I think a lot of people have always wanted that for some strange reason. So you get your braided Apple cable, which you can also buy separately if you wanted to on their website, and you've got your normal plugs as well. Now, onto the main event. Oh, that is a very nice color. Bear with me as I do this with one hand. But that is a stunning finish. Wow. Now let's lift it up for the first time. And there's the start up. Honestly, the color of this MacBook is amazing, and if they had this finish for the MacBook Pro that I have, 100% would have bought it. But it does really look so nice. So this MacBook replaces the old generation. It comes in a brand new, all new design. So as you can see on the box here, it's a flat design, similar to the new MacBook Pros that got released. It's got the M2 chip, which is Apple's latest chip. It's got Touch ID as well. It's more portable. It weighs less. It's got a 13.6
English is the main language. Press the return key.
Okay, yeah, so it's got a 13.6-inch screen. This one comes with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of SSD storage. So if you do get the base one, be warned that I think the writing speeds are slower on this, and I think a lot of people have mentioned that. So if you do end up getting a MacBook Air like this, I'd highly recommend getting the 512 or 1TB version, because honestly 256 GB as your base storage is pathetic from Apple, and that would probably fill up really easily. On my personal one, I've got 1TB and I think 16 gigs RAM, but I got the M1 M1 Plus or something. I honestly can't remember, but yeah, there's the M1 Max, and the one below that, I think that's the one that I got, the M1 Ultra. But yeah, honestly, I think this is a very nice product from Apple. They've done well in my opinion. If you are getting one, probably will have quite a lot of fun with it. Obviously if you do get the more RAM and more storage, video editing, playing games, there really shouldn't be an issue on this. So yeah, that's the unboxing of the new MacBook Air. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. It is quite fingerprint magnet, I won't lie. I've only held this for what, a minute, and you can see a lot of my smudgy fingerprints. So yeah, very beautiful product. I think when it comes to products like these, Apple always bang on with it. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Leave a like, press that subscribe button, and thanks for watching.